Those birds are dirty, man. Never get no emus and keep them in the house. This week, though, I'm gonna be outside. But I gotta take Killer out. He's going crazy. Alright, y'all. Yes, sir. This is the week, man. We got some shit to do. I'm gonna see if we're probably gonna go to Home Depot, actually. If they even open, today is Memorial Day. Who the fuck celebrates that shit? Anyways, let's check on this boa, and we'll check on Cuddles. Alright, so we got a lot going on over there. Let me grab my snake hook. Alright, so, like I was saying, I'm gonna take this snake out. This is the boa constrictor. Always cool messing with her. Hopefully we get this nail.
The what?
Those rugs.
Oh, like outside?
Mm-hmm. There we go. Ooh-wee. That is a big snake, guys. Oh my gosh. Kill her. Stop, boy. Alright, so I told y'all the boa that we just had is from Colombia. This is a carpet python. Carpet pythons are from Australia, for the most part. I'm pretty sure they could be from like New Guinea or something like that. I had to put it in 4K for this one. Look at this beautiful snake, man. This thing is ridiculous. Let's take him out. Guys, look at how big that head is compared to my hand.
I don't even know if I can see you. I think it's the concrete.
Maybe it's
Holy fuck, my eye.
Alright, y'all, so we got Chico here. Looking really good. Let's see. Can I touch his tail? Probably not. He doesn't like it. Oh, shit! Stay back, bitch. Yeah, I just put mine in the freezer. I'm finna grab it. Here go my beautiful redfoots. They gonna be outside in something real nice. Alright, Home Depot. We at YouTube. YouTube. We at Home Depot. We just getting some stuff.
Which type of stuff?
We're getting 2 digging shovels. So, we could dig these ponds by hand.
I'm gonna get a strong ass bitch.
What you say?
I'm gonna get a strong ass bitch. That's not that
It ain't that bad. And then we gonna get some of these. We just wanted these to be. I wanted these to be new, but we gonna get some transfer shovels and other types of shovels online. I just want these to be brand new. And then what else we got? She got some flowers. We got a new dog, y'all. So I can't get the big reticulated python, but I don't care because we got a new dog. We ain't get it yet. We gotta wait till we move.
I said you could get through chicken and python.
I don't want to get both.
Oh.
That's a lot of money.
I didn't even think about that.
Yeah. You going back?
Your money is my money.
Then I gotta buy both? Hell no. That's all good.
We gotta buy both, dude.
No, I don't want to buy both.
Okay.
I do, but
I know you do. I wonder if the turkey was cheaper.
hell no, I ain't no way. But what else do I need? Alright, y'all. Let's see what animals is awake right now. I had to change the emu light tomorrow morning. That'd be good for the night though. These dudes are up, of course. I just put them in their cage for the night. And they already done dookied a little bit. What up, Stanley? Go to sleep, boy. And then of course this big guy. He up. My boy Philip. Love this dude. He's up. tortoise asleep. You up, boy? You up? Huh? Barely. Look who is, though. This dude tried to trade me all these turtles. I'll post it right here. Just for this girl.